This is my best friend, Kara. She's also my fiancé. Kara loves dogs, Scream, and Hannah Jalapeno. But above all else, she loves helping people. That's why when there was a need for hurricane relief in Asheville, North Carolina, she was happy to help. And for the past 2 weeks while she's been down there, I've been holding down the fort in Pennsylvania.
What are you guys doing? What's this? You have a license for this thing? Big flip. That didn't work that well.
I need a project.
So while Kara's out of town helping out in Asheville, I decided that I'm going to make her a gift. And I think something that she would really appreciate is a small jewelry box. So what I'm thinking is making one of those ones that has like a dovetail on each side and it slides. The only problem is I don't have any dovetail bits or a router table or a good router. So I'm going to attempt to make this on my table saw today. And then the other key component here, which I'm really excited about, is I bought this slab of wood for $35 like 4 years ago. It was like fresh cut. I don't even know what species of wood it is, but it has air dried for the past 4 years. So we're going to slice off an end of that, send it through the planer joiner, and then once I have the pieces, kind of try to break down what this box is actually going to look like. But I'm pretty excited, so I'll see you on the other side of this project. So I, for whatever reason, can't find my safety glasses, but I don't want to work without them, so we're going to use, oh no! We're going to use these Gooder American flag sunglasses. Happy 4th of July. This thing is really heavy. So this piece of wood has led a number of different lives. It was like a sofa table at one point, and then we used it as like a bar in a basement at another place I lived in. So you can see like down here, there's like different screws and stuff because it's like had different cable management. There's a power strip on here at one point. So I got to take all these out.
Then all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. So my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it. In the end you must feel. Forget about all you know. You need to go. It's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out. We're breathing in. We're breathing out.
All right, so yesterday I had my buddy Kyle helping with like the filming, and today I don't have him, and that is why the quality drops off pretty substantially. But I'm gonna unclamp this and we'll do a dry fit and see how it works, and then next thing we'll need to do is route out a compartment to hold like jewelry and stuff.
that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it. In the end you must feel. Forget about all you know. You need to go. It's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out. We're breathing in. We're breathing out.
Funky music. So fresh, so clean. I'm loving the way that this box turned out. I think the gaps on the side add some visual interest and the functionality is really good. Everything slots right into place because of the magnets I added. There's a bit of tear out on the roof of the lid. If I were to make this project again, I would try to cut this out with a dado blade. I'm really excited to give this box to Kara, but she won't be home until after this video needs to come out, so her reaction will be in the next one. Until next time, remember, stay funky.
Now which one? Which one's which? Which one's which?